In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate on designs in Canva. Whether you're working solo or need feedback from teammates, Canva makes collaboration smooth and efficient. Let's dive in. When you're ready to share a design, look at the top right corner of your Canva dashboard. You'll see the share button. This is your gateway to collaboration. Click it to open the sharing options. Next, you'll need to specify who you want to collaborate with. In the box that appears, type the email address of the person you want to share your design with. Double check the address so it reaches the right person without delays. Once you've entered the email, click the share button again to finalize the invitation. Canva will send an email directly to that person, giving them access based on the permissions you set. Now, here's the important part. You can choose between different access levels. View only lets people see your design. Comment mode lets them leave feedback without changing anything. And edit gives them full access to make updates and changes alongside you. Setting the right permission is key. It ensures your work stays secure while still inviting collaboration. With the right balance, you get input, creativity, and teamwork without losing control of your design. Collaboration in Canva isn't just about sharing, it's about improving. Different perspectives and feedback can take your design further than you could on your own. And that's it. You've just learned how to share and collaborate on designs in Canva. Whether it's for work, school, or a fun project with friends, this feature opens the door to teamwork and stronger creative results. Thanks for watching and happy designing.